Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python Programs for Beginners series. In this video, we're going to learn how to print strings in Python using the print function. We are going to cover these examples. 1. Print a string to output. 2. Print two strings in a single print statement. 3. Print a variable inside a string. 4. Print with a specific separator. 5. Print with a specific end character. The print function is one of the most commonly used and essential functions in Python. It is used to display output on the screen, whether it's text, numbers, or even the results of an operation. Suppose we want to display the message, "Hello world." To do this in Python, we use the print function and pass the text inside quotation marks. That's it. When we run the program, it will print the message exactly as written. Now let us write a Python program to print multiple strings using a single print function call. Suppose we want to print two phrases, "My name is" and "program guru." Consider that these two phrases are in two variables, string 1 and string 2. We pass both strings, string 1 and string 2, to the print function, separated by a comma. The print function will automatically insert a space between them and display both messages in a single line. Let's run the program. As expected, when the print function is called, the output on the screen is, "My name is program guru." Now, let us write a Python program to print a variable inside a string, which is a formatted string, using fstring. Suppose we have a variable called name, and it holds the value program guru. We can use fstring to create a sentence like, "My name is program guru." We write print f my name is name. The f before the string allows us to embed variables directly into the string using curly braces. Let's run the program. The output will be, "My name is program guru." Now, let us print multiple words using a custom separator. By default, the print function adds a space between values, but we can change this using the separator parameter. For example, print function with strings Python is awesome and separator hyphen symbol. This will print Python hyphen is hyphen awesome. So the separator parameter controls how the values are separated in the output. Now, let us write a Python program to print output on the same line using the end parameter. By default, the print function ends with a new line. But if we want to continue printing on the same line, we can set the end parameter to a space or any character. Let us write print with hello string as argument, an end parameter with an empty string, then a print statement with world passed as argument. When we run this code, both words are printed on the same line with nothing in between them, because the end parameter in the first print statement is an empty string. If this video helped you understand how to print strings in Python using the print function, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Python tutorials.